Hello, cherished friends over 60. As a doctor passionate about your health and vitality, I'm thrilled to share a simple, natural remedy that's been a game changer for many seniors. A vinegar-based mixture that can deliver remarkable health benefits when combined with the right ingredients. This isn't about quick fixes or unproven promises, it's about harnessing the power of nature, backed by science, to support your body as you age gracefully. Today, I'll walk you through 3 powerful vinegar-based recipes tailored for seniors, designed to boost energy, improve digestion, support heart health, and even reduce joint discomfort. These remedies are safe, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, but they come with important precautions for your unique needs. If you're ready to feel vibrant and empowered, stay with me. This could be a blessing for your health. Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a health tip crafted for you. In the comments, type 1 if you find this inspiring, or 0 if you have feedback to make this even better. Let's get started with love and care. Why vinegar? The science behind its power. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, ACV, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, and modern science backs its benefits. ACV contains acetic acid, which supports digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and fights inflammation. It's also rich in antioxidants and may improve circulation, which is vital for seniors managing age-related conditions like arthritis, high blood pressure, or digestive issues. However, vinegar is potent, and seniors must use it wisely to avoid risks like stomach irritation or medication interactions. Always consult your doctor before trying these remedies, especially if you have diabetes, kidney issues, or take medications like diuretics or insulin. Let's explore 3 vinegar-based mixtures that can work wonders, along with precautions to keep you safe and thriving. Recipe 1, Vinegar, Honey, and Warm Water for Energy and Digestion. The Miracle Mix. 1 tablespoon raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, with the mother for maximum benefits. 1 teaspoon raw honey. 8 ounces warm water. How to prepare. Stir the vinegar and honey into warm, not hot, water until dissolved. Sip slowly in the morning on an empty stomach or 30 minutes before a meal. Why it works for seniors. This blend is a gentle tonic for boosting energy and easing digestion, common concerns as we age. The acetic acid in vinegar stimulates digestive enzymes, helping break down food and reduce bloating, which affects 30% of seniors. Journal of Gastroenterology, 2020. Honey soothes the stomach lining, preventing irritation from vinegar's acidity, and provides a natural energy boost without spiking blood sugar. A 2022 study in nutrition research found that ACV can improve insulin sensitivity by 20 to 30%, supporting stable energy levels for seniors with prediabetes or fatigue. Real-life blessing. Margaret Evans, a 68-year-old retiree from Florida, struggled with morning sluggishness and indigestion. After starting this daily tonic, she noticed less bloating and more energy to enjoy her morning walks. "It's like my body woke up again," she shared with a smile. Her doctor approved the mix, ensuring it didn't interfere with her blood pressure medication. Precautions. Dilute vinegar to protect your stomach and tooth enamel. Never drink it straight. If you have acid reflux or ulcers, check with your doctor, as vinegar may irritate these conditions. Avoid if you're on potassium-lowering medications, for example, diuretics, as ACV can affect potassium levels. Use a straw to minimize enamel exposure and rinse your mouth after. The blessing. This simple drink can kickstart your day, ease digestion, and give you the vitality to embrace life's joys, whether it's gardening, playing with grandkids, or simply feeling lighter. Comment 1 if you're excited to try this, and share where you're watching from. I'd love to connect. Recipe 2, Vinegar, Lemon, and Ginger for Joint Comfort and Inflammation. The Miracle Mix. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Juice of half a fresh lemon, about 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, or half teaspoon ginger powder. 8 ounces warm water. How to prepare. Mix vinegar, lemon juice, and ginger into warm water. Stir well and sip slowly, ideally in the morning or evening. For a soothing twist, add a pinch of turmeric, optional. Why it works for seniors. Joint stiffness and inflammation are common in seniors, with 50% over 65 reporting arthritis symptoms. Arthritis Foundation, 2023. Vinegar's acetic acid reduces inflammation by lowering cytokine levels, as shown in a 2021 Journal of Inflammation study. Lemon provides vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports collagen formation for joint health, while ginger's gingerol compounds reduce pain and swelling, per a 2020 pain medicine study. Together, this trio can ease morning stiffness and improve mobility. Real-life blessing. James Carter, a 72-year-old from Texas, dealt with knee pain that limited his daily walks. After adding this mix to his routine, he felt less stiffness within 2 weeks. "I can keep up with my dog now," he laughed. His doctor monitored his kidney function, ensuring the mix was safe with his medications. Precautions: ginger may thin blood, so avoid if you're on blood thinners, for example, warfarin, without medical advice. Lemon's acidity can affect enamel. Use a straw and rinse your mouth. If you have kidney stones or citrus allergies, consult your doctor. Start with a smaller dose, ½ tablespoon vinegar, to test tolerance. The blessing: this vibrant mix can soothe your joints, reduce inflammation, and help you move with ease, reclaiming the freedom to enjoy life's simple pleasures. Which remedy resonates with you? Share in the comments, and let's inspire each other. Recipe 3, Vinegar, Cinnamon, and Warm Water for Heart Health and Blood Sugar. The Miracle Mix: 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, Ceylon preferred for lower coumarin content, 8 ounces warm water. How to prepare: stir vinegar and cinnamon into warm water until well mixed. Drink in the evening, 2 to 3 hours after dinner, to support overnight blood sugar stability. Why it works for seniors. Heart health and blood sugar control are critical for seniors, with 70% over 60 at risk for cardiovascular issues. American Heart Association, 2022. ACV improves cholesterol levels by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, by up to 13%, per a 2021 Journal of Lipid Research study. Cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity and lowers fasting blood sugar, as shown in a 2020 diabetes care study, making it ideal for seniors with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. This mix supports circulation and reduces heart strain. Real-life blessing: Dorothy Lee, a 70-year-old from California, had borderline high cholesterol and erratic blood sugar. After adding this mix nightly, her next checkup showed improved levels, and she felt more energized. "It's like giving my heart a hug," she said. Her doctor adjusted her diabetes medication to ensure safety. Precautions: cinnamon can lower blood sugar, so monitor levels if you're on diabetes medications to avoid hypoglycemia. Use Ceylon cinnamon to minimize liver strain from coumarin and cassia cinnamon. Avoid if you have stomach ulcers or are allergic to cinnamon. Dilute vinegar and use a straw to protect enamel. The blessing: this heart-nurturing blend stabilizes blood sugar and supports circulation, empowering you to live with vitality and confidence, cherishing every moment with loved ones. Your empowerment plan: safe practices for seniors. These vinegar-based remedies are powerful, but your safety comes first. Here's how to incorporate them wisely. Start small. Begin with ½ tablespoon of vinegar to test tolerance. Gradually increase to 1 tablespoon if comfortable. Always dilute. Mix vinegar in at least 8 ounces of water to protect your stomach and teeth. Timing matters. Take these drinks 30 minutes before meals or 2 to 3 hours after to avoid digestive conflicts. Monitor symptoms. Watch for stomach discomfort, low blood sugar, or changes in medication effects. Stop and consult your doctor if issues arise. Stay hydrated. Drink water throughout the day to support vinegar's benefits and prevent dehydration. Medical clearance. Consult your doctor, especially if you have diabetes, kidney issues, or take medications like blood thinners, diuretics, or insulin. Warning signs: if you experience heartburn, nausea, or dizziness after trying these, stop immediately and seek medical advice. These remedies are not a substitute for prescribed treatments. The blessing of action: protect your vitality. You've just discovered 3 vinegar-based mixtures that can transform your health. Vinegar with honey for energy and digestion, with lemon and ginger for joint comfort, and with cinnamon for heart health and blood sugar. These aren't just recipes, they're gifts from nature, backed by science, to help you thrive in your golden years. As a doctor, I'm inspired by the resilience of seniors like Margaret, James, and Dorothy, who reclaimed their vitality with small, intentional changes. Start tonight. Choose one mix that resonates with you. Maybe it's the honey blend to start your day with energy, or the cinnamon tonic to nurture your heart. Whatever you choose, know that you're taking control of your health, honoring the incredible life you've built. These remedies are about more than feeling better, they're about preserving your ability to dance, laugh, and share stories with those you love. What's one change you'll try? Share in the comments, and let's lift each other up. Type 1 if this inspired you, 0 for feedback. Like, share, and subscribe to spread this life-affirming wisdom. Here's to thriving, not just surviving, in your golden years. Thank you for joining me.